Yes, kia ora. We're going to get comment from Willie Jackson now. Now, Willie, you're the chairman of the Māori Electoral College, Te Pūtahi Paoho, which of course represents Māori organisations with a vested interest in whakaata Māori. So we're talking kohanga reo, Māori radio stations, etc., etc. From your perspective, how do you think Paora Maxwell's been going?
Well, from the Māori Electoral College perspective, they think, or we think, he's doing quite well. In fact, he fronted our last meeting. You got to remember also within our college, a number of them didn't support him getting the job. But it seems that members have said to us they're happy to be proven wrong.
And have they been proven wrong, do you think?
Well, they're saying, see, the problem is they're saying, our board is saying he's doing well. It's really tough for him. The reality is he's been undermined over the last year or so. You've got an old guard and you've got a lot of people there who are really pleased with some of the changes.
So with that in mind, what do you think of the changes? A lot of people have left over the past
Well,
year.
it's new CEO comes in, as Paora said. You either do one thing, you sack everyone, which some said he should have done, all right, or you work with them closely. I don't think he did either. He just let them stay there, and a number of them have undermined him over the last year. A lot of those people are good people, but they're leaving. The Mihi Forbes, the Annabelle Lees, the Jodie Ehakas, and there's a lot of questions out there. He's got a problem when you've got senior members in government saying that the Minister of Māori Affairs is lying. He's got a real problem. He has to get his communication strategy right. And I think this is a good start. It was a good start today. Shame we couldn't hear more. But you can hear from Maramina Roderick, one of the most respected journalists, I think, in terms of Māori broadcasting, that they think they've got the ship on the right road. Here's the thing, Scotty. Are we going to just believe mainstream media? And are they telling the real story, or are we going to start telling the real stories? I think Paora needs to get a communications person, but it was a really good communications person. I believe he started someone now. He's got to correct the story. There should almost be an investigation here because he's in an unenviable position. You know, he's got politicians attacking him all the time. You know, we had senior people on Native Affairs during the week calling the Minister of Māori Affairs a liar. It doesn't look good.
But at this point in time, the Electoral College totally supports Paora Maxwell as its CEO.
The Electoral College is very comfortable on where he's going, but worried in terms of the perceptions of Māori television, worried that mainstream doesn't get the full story.
Kia ora, Willie, tēnā koe, ngā mihi nui.
Kia ora.